Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today I am going to be decorating my school supplies. So if you're excited for today's video, then stick around because that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get it, guys. guys, so earlier you saw me decorating my school supplies, so now I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So I decorated all my composition notebooks. I put a Mr. Beast logo on here and a YouTube logo. And on this composition book I got the Phoenix Suns logo and the Lakers logo along with some other stickers. On this notebook, I got a bunch of little stickers. I got the TikTok logo, I got the Facebook logo, I got Dude Perfect right there, and the Face Clan logo. And on my folders here, I got Family Guy and American Dad, along with some little stickers. On this one, I got Jelly Roll and Stoner Bart Simpson. I had to, of course. And on this folder I got Metallica and the OCTC logo and a bunch of little stickers as well. And on this binder I have a background that I made for music class, and I got a decorated Face Clan logo for Phase Rug in particular. I got a cross, and I got a sticker from OCTC and another Metallica. And on my calculator here, I got a interesting heart with wings, and it says J plus L forever. And yeah, it's on the back of my calculator. On this composition book, I got the Meme Sheep logo. If you ever seen that channel, that's where they got like all the Try Not to Laughs and a bunch of memes that end in screams and stuff like that. And I got, on this one, I got the Strictly Skateboarding logo. On these notebooks, I got the Code Blue Cam logo. That's where they show a lot of police activity, a lot of arrests, and a lot of people acting crazy with police. And on this one, I got the Sons of Anarchy logo. Love that show. My mom loves that show as well. We're actually watching it right now. On this one, I got the Call Me Chris logo. She's really cool. I like watching her. On these folders, I got them separated because some of them are online classes and these are for in-school classes, so I got them separated. So this folder here, I got a Paw Patrol dog, but I tried to make it look like my cat, so I tried to put the face as my cat Gemma and the body as my cat Cthulhu, and the tail mixed up as both of them, Cthulhu and Gemma. And then wearing a purple sweater and a blue and green hat. On this folder, I got Bo Waters wearing a Suns jersey, and he's about to dunk a basketball. On this one, I got the Dragon City logo. That's my favorite phone game to play. On this folder, I got the Ridiculousness logo. Ridiculousness is a really funny show to watch on MTV. If you haven't seen it, it's really funny. On this folder, I got Selena Spooky Boo, which, if you don't know who that is, she used to put on TikTok a lot of her sleepwalking videos. They were really funny to watch. Now she has a YouTube channel, and well, she's had it for a while, but she's got a YouTube channel as well, and she posts a lot of like haunted videos and a lot of her extended versions of her sleepwalking videos. It's really funny to watch. So that's what I got on there. And on these binders, this one's for history. Oh no, this one's for math, so that's why there's a math background, and I put the Mario block and X Games logo. This binder is for chemistry and English, so I got chemistry on the top and English on the bottom, and then Tom and Jerry and Xbox controller. This folder's for history and film class, so I got a OCTC sticker right there. So that was all the school supplies that I decorated. I didn't decorate my pens and pencils, of course, or my pencil sharpeners and stuff like that. I didn't decorate my stapler and things like that. Just basically my folders, notebooks, and binders are the only ones that got decorated, really. So I'm gonna do another part to this in the morning. I have to do a reading language arts class tomorrow morning, so I'll take you guys with me to school, and I will show you as much as I can. I really want to show you guys my journey through college as well, so I hope that you guys enjoy my content and what I put out. So I will see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so this is my school. I'm showing you the inside as best as I can. This is a little waiting room. My class is down the hall that way, and keep going straight. I don't think I can film in here in this school, so I'm gonna have to stop the filming, but I will pick this up after my class. See you guys after class. Alright guys, so I just got done with my GED test for language arts, and I passed. So now I just have to do my official language arts test, my practice test for math, and then my official math test. So I only got 3 more tests to do, and I will graduate GED class. So right now I'm in the waiting room of the school, and I will show you guys just a little bit of the school that I can. I can't do too much, but I'll show you what I can. So, So out here in the hallway is more classes. If you go that way, that's where you test for GED. If you go this way, that's where bathrooms and the classes are. I'm going to show you as best as I can. Classes, more classes. More classes. That way is GED class. And in one of these doors is where I'm going to be taking a class on Tuesday. So I'm showing you as best as I can. We're going to be doing a campus tour on the 14th, and I'll try my best to bring you guys with me. So I will see you guys before we get on the bus, and I'll show you a little bit of the bus ride as best as I can without bothering anybody else on the bus, and I'll do my outro when we get home. So I'll see you guys on the bus ride home. Alright guys, so I couldn't show you the bus ride because there was just way too many people on the bus. I didn't want to invade anybody's privacy or anything like that, or bother them with filming on the bus, so I just didn't do it just for the respect of others. So I waited till we got back here in the room, and now I can do my outro. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video I did for today. The first part showed you guys that I was decorating my school supplies, and then the second part was actually a vlog where I took you guys to school with me, and I showed you a little bit around the school as much as I could. So I'm going to try really hard on the 14th. We're going to have a campus tour to where we're going to actually go on tour with a lot of other students that are going to be going to school as well. And we're going to be with them and teachers and people of the school. And we're going to be going all around the campus to see every classroom and everything about OCTC, Owensboro Community and Technical College. So I will do my entire best to take you guys along with me on that trip and on that tour, so that way you guys can see the school as well. So I will pick up this vlog again, not this one here, but another one. I'll do another video for you guys on the 14th, and I will see you guys at school. Hopefully I'll see you guys at school. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please let me know by leaving a like and subscribing down below, because you know this channel is just right for you. And it's been Lexi Wright, and I am out. Peace out for now, guys. See you next time.